This 2007 Dodge Ram 1500 is brought to you by Original Owner Autos, Inc. For sale, I have a good-looking Dodge Ram Mega Cab with a 5.7 Hemi. This truck is a clean-looking workhorse that has just 130,000 miles on it, clean tilty and clean history, clean body and frame, clean interior, great storage space in the back, long box with topper, and leaves little to be needed SLT trim level with all the little options you might need in a truck but tons of reliability, and this truck is made to have the room you need. If it's lumber to haul or kids in the back seats, you have the room, and this truck drives great. For more information and to see the truck, just give us a call at 612-643-1696. Thank you. Carfax report, http://207-244-230-247, 3000/data/reports/CFX/1679626913579-257592281 PDF. Visit us at originalownerautos.com.